BMRN stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is it a buy or not? I'm going to be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. And especially looking at BMRN, man, I've done well over 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And with BMRN, this is an interesting ticker because yesterday went down to 2%. And because it's still in a bearish range, I was like, if I see a double break, I'm still willing to take it further down. That doesn't mean that I'm immediately going to start selling, you know what I mean? And BMRN, yeah, I have like one receipt here in the disc. But, you know, like I'm not just going to get ahead of myself and just start to assume stuff. This, like I said, I'm waiting for the more candles to appear, which just basically means more time needs to pass. And unless I see this shift, then I'm not selling. Simple. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights regarding BMRN and just in general stocks to better your trading, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.